everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Curry Channel here. And today we're going to talk about angular velocity. We already know about rotational motion, right? Well, angular velocity tells us how fast something is rotating or turning in a circle. It's the rate at which an object moves around a circle or how much angle it covers in a certain amount of time. The formula of the angular velocity. So the formula is W, or the omega is equal to change of um, angular displacement over change in time. So this is the formula of angular velocity. So I have a problem here. So a fan blade rotates through an angle of 20 radians in 4 seconds. Find its angular velocity. So this is the given. So angular displacement is equal to 20 rads, and our time is equal to 4 seconds. So this is the formula. So I already copy the formula or put the formula. So W is, or the omega is equal to change in displacement and change in time. So let's just substitute the given. So our angular displacement is equal to 20 rads into rads over our time, or our t is equal to 4 seconds. So let's just calculate. So the answer is 5 rad per second. So this is the answer. 5 rad per second. Second problem, or the last problem. So let's write the given. So since we have no rads in the problem, and it indicates here that find the angular velocity in the radians per second. So we need to convert this 8 full rotation into radians. So one rotation, 8 full. So one rotation uh, is equal to 2 pi rad. So rad, rad. So we need to convert this 8 rotation into rads to get the answer. So so 8 rotation is equal to 8 times 2. So the value of pi is 3.14. So let's calculate. 8 times 8 times 2 times 3.14. 8 times 2 times 3.14. So the answer is 50.24. So rad. 50.24 rad. So this is the rad. So since so the value of our time is 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Yeah. So since we have already the value of our rads. So let's just put or write the formula. The angular velocity is equal to change of angular displacement and over change of time. So let's just substitute the given. So displacement, or this 24 rad over the time per sec. So let's just calculate. 50.24 divided by 4. So the answer is 12.56. So this is our This is our angular velocity, 12.56 rad per second. So this is our final answer for this problem. That's all for our topic today on angular velocity. If you enjoy learning with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy physics lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.